Welcome to the Delta Math Solution tutorial. This is covering parallel lines cut by the transversal, which is the same thing as three parallel lines. Given line L, M, and N are all parallel, right here, L, M, and N, they're cut by two transversal lines. Here, now they're asking you to find X. So it's like from before, you have to just set up the proportions to solve for this. So let's check it out. So I'm going to color code this so we can set up our proportion. So this is going to be my left side ratio. Okay. And then the blue, which is going to be my right side ratio. Okay. So let's set this up. So this is the top part. So that's 9 divided by the bottom part, which is going to be 63. This is going to be equal to the right hand side ratio, the top part, X divided by the bottom part, which is 56. So there you go. Left ratio equals to the right ratio. You're allowed to do this because of the three parallel lines. Okay, now we can cross multiply. 9 times 56, you will need a calculator, is equal to 63 times X. So 9 times 56, that gets you 504 equal to 63X. Divide by 63 to both sides to get X alone. So you get 504 divided by 63. That gets you 8 is equal to X. So here we can write 8, submit, and you are correct. Okay, exactly like how we did it when the proportion happened. Okay, let's do another problem. Here, you're given the same three parallel lines cut by these two transversal. You're asked to find the X. So again, the approach is the same thing. We have to set up the proportion by setting this left-hand side ratio. So that is one side. I'm going to call this the left side ratio. I'm going to be comparing that to my right side ratio, which is going to be this right side, which is cut by that transversal. Okay. Right side ratio. Now we can set up the equation. So 2, which is the top part, is going to be divided by the bottom part of 8. That's going to be equal to, because they are similar, to this top part on the other side, which is X, divided by the bottom part, which is 12. Okay, this allows us to now cross multiply. So X times 8, so 8 times X is equal to 2 times 12. Let's do the math. 8 times X gets you 8X. 2 times 12 gets you 24. Divide by 8 to both sides. You now get X is equal to 3. So now we can say X is equal to 3. Okay, submit your answer. There you go. That is it. All right. Make sure you set up your proportion to solve. And you set up your proportion by just looking at the transversal line. All right, there you go. That is everything that you need to know how to solve parallel lines cut by transversal.